Thinking like a lawyer in court and presenting an argument based on a statutory interpretation or legal case may not only knock the socks off of a judge, but more importantly, can dismiss your traffic ticket. Welcome. My name is David Jolly. Legal arguments can prevail in court and are a great way to get your traffic ticket dismissed. Finding a flaw in the evidence when compared to the statutory citation or finding an obscure legal case on point can deliver the goods in a contested hearing. But you must start by thinking, unfortunately, like a lawyer. If you haven't already, you must request the discovery or police report in your case. It's important to read what the officer has written in order to determine your specific legal defense. Once you have done this, you should then find the statute for which you were cited. Every state has their own traffic codes and, of course, their own statutes. Cities also have their own municipal traffic code, so be sure you reference the right law. This code should appear on the face of your ticket. You should also find the specific section that you allegedly violated. Once you have read the statute, you must then reference this code to the facts or evidence submitted by the police officer. Let's look at some examples. The legal defense is the most complicated. The first example is where a driver was citing for not signaling. However, the officer stated he observed the driver fail to signal while turning. A quick look at the statute reveals that the signal must be done before turning. This case must be dismissed. The second example is where a person was cited for not having his lights on right after sunset. However, the statute states the lights need not be on until 30 minutes after sunset, unless it was dark, say, for another reason. But this was not indicated in the facts. Be sure you validate the sunset times and bring proof of these times with the statute to court. The final example of a legal argument is the most complicated. Case law. In this example, the officer fails to provide important foundational evidence regarding the details and reliability of the radar unit used. Much more information is needed to ensure its reliability, calibration, and the officer's certification. And this is easily achieved with something called a speed measuring device affidavit, which was not used in this particular case. If you really want to show off and impress the judge, cite a case that requires the state to provide more information, such as the Washington State case in this example. If the statutory argument fails, you still might be able to find an interpretation of your offense that can still assist. I'm referring to, of course, case law. Case law is law that is based on judicial decisions rather than law based on constitutions, statutes, or regulations. Case law concerns unique disputes resolved by courts using the concrete set of facts of a case. Most lawyers use a database to locate cases that may apply, and very experienced attorneys probably have a book of thousands of cases that can be used for certain legal issues. But this probably isn't you. What you can do on your own is research on the internet to see if anything close, maybe, hopefully, pops up. You may get fortunate, as some attorneys do provide applicable cases on their websites, and there are some judicial bench books that are available online that give a list of applicable cases for contested hearings. Remember, you should cite the right cases that have authority. For example, a California case may not have any authority for a New York traffic ticket. If you decide to fight your ticket using case law and statutory interpretation, you're now thinking like a lawyer. Be sure you understand the law and be certain you know how to apply it, as the judge and prosecutor most certainly will. That being said, having a case dismissed because an officer misapplied a traffic code is about the most fulfilling way to beat a ticket. Please click on the link in the description below for your free guide on how to beat your traffic ticket in court, and for more videos on how to win in court and dismiss your ticket, please subscribe to this channel.